going to try to do this then. I am sitting at Sarah's house right now in my nice new $2 pants. Quite comfortable. And then there's the cat. What that? We made cupcakes today, and they stuck to the pan. It's my cousin that I love. Spring break. Spring break. Oh no. Turn no. That's probably an awkward like 6 seconds. But I feel very shiny right now. What are we to do on this spring break of sorts? I'm gonna end up spending like 10 days with her. I would be tortured. Tortured. You know I'm kidding. 10:57. Should we get the cupcakes out? We should frosting cupcakes, baby. Not really in the mood though. Like I ate enough cupcake stuff. Yeah. I got really nice mascara. I'm probably gonna go now. I'm just taking advantage of this fast internet to make pointless videos that people waste their time watching. How fun. You need a life.
Look at Chris Cropper.
Chris Cropper. Thanks. I need a life too. Because if I had a life there, I would be sitting here making this pointless video. No! Check it out, check it out. I love it. Okay. Yeah. Stop this now. It's getting late and pointless. For about a minute.
It's still going.
I know. I'm trying to think of something cool.
It's so awkward.
I need to end
No,
this.
like,
Oh, I should tell about a day. So we hung out with this kid. And oh my god. Tell us why he was scary.
okay, like, no, I can't. I can't.
Because she met him on the internet. She was like awkward.
It was the most awkward situation I've ever been in.
McDonald's. Oh. Like, I never want to be forced to be in that. This camera gets like some really bad angles. The shadows are just dreadful. Agreed? I need to end with something cool. Something about myself, maybe. Something I could say about myself. The best dip for fruit, or like, I put it on like shortbread cookies, take whipped cream, vanilla, and cream cheese, and mix it all together. It's delicious.